हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। हमारे पोस्टल प्रमोशन चैनल में आप सभी को हार्दिक हार्दिक अभिनंदन और शुभेच्छा। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे रूल 23 और रूल 28 के जितने सारे क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं, जितने सारे क्वेश्चंस आए हैं 2024 और 2025 के, जितने सारे सर्कल्स में आए हैं वहाँ से क्वेश्चंस, वो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। एग्ज़ाम के लिए PYQs आर वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट। PYQs देखना अनिवार्य है क्योंकि वही क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेड होते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पार्ट 1 रूल 23 स्टेशनरी 11 क्वेश्चंस। As per Rule 23 of Postal Manual Volume 7, which of the following authorities compiles and issues the stationery rate list to every section and mail office? हेड ऑफ सर्कल, सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ RMS, रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर या फिर इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ पोस्ट। क्या होंगे इसके आंसर? इसका आंसर होंगे, सो इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ RMS। 2024 तमिलनाडु और महाराष्ट्र सर्कल पे क्वेश्चंस आए। कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज। Under Rule 23, from where does the mail office procure its dynamic stock of postage stamps and stationery in the first instance? A option A circle stamp depot, option B postal stores depot, option C nearest head post offices, option D RMS divisional headquarters। क्या होगा इसका आंसर? ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, नियरेस्ट हेड पोस्ट ऑफिस। 2025 के कर्नाटक सर्कल LDC एग्जाम पे आए थे। Come to the next question. Who among the following is held responsible for ensuring there is no extravagance or wastage in the use of stationery items supplied to an RMS section? ऑप्शन ए मेल गार्ड या फिर मेल एजेंट, ऑप्शन बी सब रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर, ऑप्शन सी हेड सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट, ऑप्शन डी डिवीजन सुपरिटेंडेंट। ऑप्शन सी हेड सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट will held personally responsible for ensuring there is no extravagance or wastage in the use of stationery items, जो कि एक सेक्शन को दिया जाता है। 2024 के मध्य प्रदेश सर्कल में आए थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज। अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल 23 गाइडलाइंस, वेयर इज द रेगुलर स्टॉक ऑफ नेसेसरी स्टेशनरी, ऑफिशियल रजिस्टर्स एंड फॉर्म्स इंटेंडेड फॉर द यूज ऑफ अटैच सेक्शंस मेंटेन्ड? In the running transit serial coach, in the designated record office, in the circle printing office, in the divisional storehouse. Which is the correct answer? Option B, in the designated record office. Next question please. Question number 5. When an unexpected or sudden deficiency of stationery forms occurs in a section, what is the prescribed procedure under Rule 23? What is the prescribed procedure under Rule 23? Borrowing stationery from railway station staff, halting administrative work until regular stock replenishment, submitting an emergency requisition to the superintendent of RMS, buying necessary items from local markets through personal cash reserves. Its correct answer is option C, submitting an emergency requisition to the superintendent of RMS. Next question please. What documentation details the precise quantities and types of stationery articles sanctioned for daily or trip used by each set of RMS unit? बोल रहे हैं what documentation details the precise quantities and types of stationery articles sanctioned for daily या फिर trip used by each set of RMS unit? ड्यू मेल लिस्ट, ऑर्डर बुक, स्टेशनरी रेट लिस्ट या फिर इन्वेंटरी सीट? करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, स्टेशनरी रेट लिस्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज। इफ ए हेड सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट रिसीव्स स्टेशनरी आइटम्स दैट डू नॉट correspond with the quantity specified in the rate list, What immediate action should be taken under Rule 23? Report the discrepancy directly to the Postmaster General. Make an entry in the error book and bring it to the notice of record officer. Option C, makes aside silently. Option D, refuse to take over the trip portfolio. Option B, make an entry in the error book and bring it to the notice of the record officer is the correct answer. Next question देखिए, which of the following item is considered a critical component of the stationery supplies carried inside the official portfolio under Rule 23? Empty canvas transport bags. Option B, writing materials, ink pads, error books and service message forms. Option C, private manufacture postcards. Option D, excess cash boxes. Correct answer is option B, writing materials, ink pads, error books and service message forms. Next question, under Rule 23, who is responsible for providing required blank registers and bound books to the head sorting assistant before the commencement of a trip? The mail agent, the head record officer, sorting assistant in charge of the registration branch, now the sub postmaster. Correct answer is option B, the head record officer HRO या फिर record officer RO. 2002 Fort Assam Circle. Next question, stationery rate lists are subject to periodic reviews. Any alteration or modification or to this list can only be authorized by Inspector of Post, Head Sorting Assistant, Superintendent of RMS, and Sub Record Officer. Correct answer is the Superintendent of RMS is the sole responsible authority to change in the stationery list. Next question, please. The true or false, according to the Rule 23, an RMS set can freely utilize post office forms meant for public sales to fulfill internal office documentation requirements. Is it true or false? It is false. Next question, please. Oh, part 2, Rule 28, preparation of daily report. That is MS 83. Rule 28 of Postal Manual Volume 7 states that the daily report must be prepared and written by whom? Correct answer is C, head sorting assistant. Next question, please. What is the designated official departmental form number used by the head sorting assistant to write the daily report under Rule 28? Form MS 83 is the correct answer. Next question, please. To whom must the completed daily report form MS 83 be directly submitted or forwarded by the head sorting assistant after a trip or working shift concludes? Chief Postmaster General, Divisional Superintendent of RMS. Correct answer is B, Divisional Superintendent of RMS. Next question, under Rule 28, what type of critical operational data must be systemically recorded within the columns of the daily report? Casual leaves applied for the next month, hourly passenger trends on railway platforms, any irregularities in mail exchange, staff absence, or damage to stamp sales. This is the correct answer. Next question, what is the prescribed preservation period for the daily reports of RMS offices and sections under the official disposal of records guidelines? 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 30 years. Correct answer is 18 months. Next question, please. If no operational irregularities or unusual events occur during an entire working shift, how should the head sorting assistant complete the daily report under Rule 28? Leave the report completely blank. Do not submit Form MS-83 for the unit. Write a clear nil statement or fill in the arbitrary sample data. Correct answer is option C. Write with a clear nil statement. Next question, number 18. According to Rule 28, how much structural damage discovered on an official portfolio box or its lock be handled within the daily report? It should be reported verbally. It must be explicitly detailed as distinct irregularity. Option C, it should be fixed privately. Option D, it must only be entered into the guidance book. What is the correct answer? It's option B. It must be explicitly detailed as a discuss irregularities in the daily report. Next question, who act as an immediate intermediate processing channel to forward the daily report from a transit section to the divisional superintendent, the mail agent, the record officer, the town postmaster, the van attendant? It is record officer or sub record officer. Yes, intermediate channel becomes record officer to forward the daily report from a transit section to the divisional superintendent. Next, in cases where an exceptionally serious irregularity occurs, the mail theft or highway robbery, writing it in the daily report is required. But what additional action does Rule 28 imply? Its correct answer is option A. Send a direct message or special report immediately to the superintendent without waiting for the trip sent. Next question, please. Rule 21. Can an sorting assistant, fill out and sign the daily report on behalf of the head sorting assistant under normal operating circumstances? What is the question? और एक बार बताता हूँ. Can an assistant sorting assistant means can an assistant sorting assistant fill out and sign the daily report on behalf of the head sorting assistant under normal operating circumstances? Yes, anyone in the set can sign it. No, it is the personal and non-delegable duty. Only if the mail guard permits it. D, yes, but only in transit sections. It's B, no, it is the personal and non-delegable duty of the head sorting assistant. Next question, any exceptional delay in the arrival or departure of the mail carrying trains or buses must be recorded under which section of the form MS 83 daily report? Under irregularities in connection and mail department, mail movement. So here it. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ डू